Welcome to another session in this course. In this particular session, we are going to be looking at one of the very powerful clause in MySQL, which is group by clause. Majority of the time, you are not just getting your application. You want to group your applications by a particular categorical variable, and this is where the group by clause is very important. In this lesson, I am going to be taking you through how you can use the group by clause with the common aggregate functions. Let us get at it. Let us run this. And then we have our total value, which is the amount. But this is the total value for the whole record. What if we want to know the record based on the customer ID? That is, we want to know the amount that is generated by each customer based on their customer ID. That is where the group by function comes in. You add group by. Group by what? We are grouping by the customer ID. If you want to do this, you will have to come here and put customer ID here. And see now, select customer ID. Then the aggregate function you want to use, you put it there. And after that, you put what you want to order by. That is this same customer ID. And when I run this, you will discover that we will now have each of our customer ID and the total value that was paid for each of them. This is very powerful. Then we can actually go ahead and do for all of this. When we do this, what we are saying is that we want to know this total value, the average, the minimum, maximum, total records for each of our customer ID. That is why we say group by customer ID. If I run this now, you can see that for customer ID 0, this is the total value, the total amount, the average, the minimum value you paid, maximum value you paid, and the total number of transactions. You can see how we have been able to group our applications using the group by method. The group by method can only be used with aggregate function. And you must have a categorical variable like the customer ID, customer name, or something that you want to group your aggregates by. So this is how we work around the common aggregate functions in MySQL, and also how you can group by them. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and hit the notification icon until we meet in the next one.